Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your English literature class, children. This is your book, as you all know that. And in the previous day, we were doing chapter number 4, right? We have started chapter number 4, that is Tale of Miss Moped. And we have completed explanation of the chapter, right? Now, today what we will do, we will do the back exercise, that is making connection, okay? Page number 46. So take out your book, open your book at page number 46, 46, and we will do making connection today. I will tell and you will do it here, write it here. So take a pencil in your hand, everyone take a pencil and an eraser, okay? I will tell you and you will do it here, okay? What I'll say, you will do it. Now, are you all ready? Let us see what is to be done here. Making connection, that is quick answers. You have to reflect back what you have studied in the previous day, and then we have to put a tick against the correct statement that are true according to the chapter, and cross against those that are false, means which are not true. True means those which are true, correct, you have to give a tick mark, and those which are false means that are not true according to the chapter, you have to put a cross in the box given beside each sentence, as you have already seen. So these are the sentences given here and one box is given. Whatever I will say, you will do it, okay, along with me. Okay, children, are you all ready? Let us do number 1. Let's get started. Okay. Number 1. A. Miss Moped thinks she has heard a cockroach. In the story, we have learned about a mouse and a cat, right? And this Miss Moped was a kitten, means young one of a cat, right? Now in the story, we have not read anything about cockroach. Do we? No, we have not. So, Miss Moped thinks she has heard a cockroach. No, it is not true. She thinks that she has heard a mouse, right? According to the chapter, she thinks that she has heard a mouse, isn't it? So, this statement is true. Is there anything about cockroach in the story? No. So, the first one will be wrong. So, you will put a cross in the first box. What will put? This way. Cross. Okay? It is not true. Number A gone. Number A is false. So, you will put a cross. Then number B. The mouse is making fun of Miss Moped. The mouse that was there sitting on the cupboard, on the top of a cupboard. So the mouse was making fun of Miss Moped. Is it true? Yes, it is true. So in number B, the box given beside number B, you will put a tick mark. Tick mark. When you do something right, I give you this like this, na? Tick mark means you are correct. So this sentence is also right. Okay, so you will put a tick mark in number B. Okay. Number C, Miss Moped hit her own paw. Miss Moped, what she did, she hit her own paw, isn't it? And she got hurt. In the story, we have learned that, isn't it? So, and then she covered her head with a duster, right? So he had hurt his head. She. Miss Moped is she. She has hurt herself, isn't it? With her own paws, isn't it? Isn't it? So, and when she was looking at the mouse through the hole, isn't it? So now here what you'll write, it is true. It is true. It is correct. So you will give a put mark. Number C, you will give a tick mark. You will give a tick mark. Okay. Then number D. The mouse thinks Miss Moped is looking very happy. Is it true? The mouse thinks so? No. The mouse thought that Moped was looking very sad. Isn't it? The mouse thought that. So in the story, when we have learned the story, we found that the mouse, she found that Miss Moped is looking very sad. She was not looking happy, right? So this number D is also wrong. You will put a cross mark. You will put a cross in number D. Then number E, Miss Moped forgot about the hole in the duster. Yes, she tried to catch the mouse with the help of the duster, isn't it? But she forgot that there is a hole in the duster, because with the help of those through that hole, the mouse ran away, isn't it? So Miss Moped forgot about the hole in the duster. Yes, it is true. So the last one is correct. So you'll give a tick mark in the last one. Done? Done? Again from the beginning shall I take? Number A, I'm revising, okay? Number A, Miss Moped think that she had a cockroach. Cross. Number B, the mouse is making fun of Miss Moped. Yes. True. Number C, Miss Moped hits her own paw. Yes, correct. Tick mark. Number C. Number D, the mouse think Miss Moped is looking very happy. Wrong. So you'll put a cross mark in number D. Then number E, Miss Moped forgot about the hole in the duster. Yes, it is true. You'll give a tick mark. Done? Then come to read, reflect and write. These answers I will send to you through telegram. Okay, this answer I will send to you through telegram. Like, why do you think mouse comes sliding down the curtain? Why did Miss Moped want to tease the mouse? Okay, then how did the mouse save himself from Miss Moped? These answers I will send for you. Okay, then we will do word wall. Okay, word wall in the next class we can do it, or let us do it right now. See, read the sentences. This is the mouse peeping out behind the cupboard. This is Moped jumping too late. See, two sentences we have seen, peeping and jumping. See, peeping and jumping. Peeping in the first sentence and jumping in the second sentence. Now, the word peeping and jumping are what that tells us what the mouse or Miss Moped was doing. Peeping means what? Peeping means to look like this, okay, without making any noise, okay, without any one's attention. If you peep like this, okay, if you look like this, what someone else is doing, this is called peeping. This is an action, isn't it? This is an action. Then next one in the second sentence, this is Miss Moped jumping too late. Jumping, say more a peeping, jumping. Here jumping is also an action. She's jumping. Okay, now we have seen here that jumping, peeping, these all are doing words. These are what? Doing words. So later on we'll learn about more about doing words. Okay, doing words. In the next class we'll learn what do we call this doing words. They are known as verb. So not this time, this year we will not we don't know anything about verb and all. Okay, we'll forget about this verb, but we have to know what are doing words. Suppose I am teaching. Now what I am doing? Teaching. So it is doing what? I'm doing something. I'm showing you suppose this bottle. I'm showing you this bottle. What I'm doing? Showing. It is an action, right? I'm teaching. It is an action. Same way, Miss Moped was jumping. Jumping is an action, doing something. Then peeping is also an action. So these are action word. Okay, peeping and jumping are action word. Now in the next exercise, that is page number 47, we will do the with the help of this helping word given, we will do the exercise. Okay, for today we'll end the class here. Next day we will do this fill in the blanks. Okay, thank you.